Hello students, welcome to UMaths class. I hope you all are eager to learn new concept with me. Today we will see some more examples related to construction of triangle. Let us learn to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them by solving practice set 3. In triangle MAT, length of MA is equal to 5.2 cm. Measure angle A is equal to 80 degree and length of AT is equal to 6 cm. In the provided information, the included angle measure is acute angle, then the triangle will be acute angle triangle. Before starting our construction, we will draw a rough figure, from which we will get an idea on how to proceed stepwise in our construction. Our rough figure is ready. According to the rough figure, seg AT forms the base of length 6 cm. With the help of protractor, take a measure of 80 degree at point A. Then draw a ray. According to the rough figure, point M is a distance of 5.2 cm from A. Right students? So, open the compass to 5.5 cm and placing the compass point on A, draw an arc to cut the ray. Label intersecting point as M. Join MT to get required triangle MAT. Note here, since given included angle is acute angle, so the triangle is acute angled triangle. Students, I am sure you must have understood to construct a triangle when two sides and the angle included by them is given to you. Now, you can also try with me for the second question. Students, are you ready? Yes, let's solve. In triangle NTS, angle T is 40 degree and length of NT and TS is 5 centimeters. Let us draw a rough figure by using given information. In the given question, two sides are equal in length as 5 centimeters and between angle is 40 degree. Right students? Our rough figure is ready. Let us construct an actual figure now. Draw first base as 5 centimeters. Students, always keep a habit of writing segment name and its length. With the help of protractor, take a measure of 40 degree at point T. Then draw a ray. Now open the compass to 5 centimeter and taking T as a center and cut the ray. Label the intersecting point as N. Join NS to get required triangle NTS. Now you know how to construct a triangle when two sides and the angle included by them is given to you. I hope you also have got the same triangle in your notebook. Right students? Yes. Let us take next question. Let us construct a triangle FUN whose side FU has 5 cm and side UN has 4.6 cm length. Measure angle U is 110 degree. Students, note here included angle U is obtuse angle. So, the triangle will be obtuse angled triangle. Now, you are going to solve this question for better practice. am sure you must have got the same triangle in your notebook, right students? Let us solve next question. Construct a triangle PRS whose two sides are 5.5 cm and 4.2 cm in length and included angle is 90 degree. Students, note here the included angle is right angle. So the triangle will be right angled triangle. Now you are going to solve this question for better practice. Today we saw some examples related to construction of triangle when the length of two sides and the angle included by them is given. As I always say, maths requires practice, so be sure to work on it. Students, I am sure you have found this session easy, useful and understood the concepts that we discussed today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit the like button. To get instant updates, subscribe my YouTube channel UMaths. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will answer you back as early as possible. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. Stay tuned with UMaths.